Hi, I am Andrea Bruman. I'm the developer of SwissCreate Business Manager, the cloud software for business and project management. Welcome to our video tutorials with tips and tricks for SwissCreate Business Manager. In another video, I gave you an introduction to SCBM and what you can do with it. In this video, I want to show you how to get started with content. I will explain how to create a SWOT analysis, because usually this will be the first tool you'll need. The steps to learn in this video can be applied to other modules like the business model and the project definition, so just take this as an example. The first thing we need to do is to choose the language we want to use. When we create a new project, the currently selected language will be used to generate some content, so it's important to choose beforehand which language I want to be working with. Now we need to create a new project. In this example, I want to do a flower business startup, so I'll call the project Flower Business Startup, and the company name will be Rosina Flowers. In this video, I am Rosina Woodland. And sometimes it's useful to have a consultant to review my project. Today this is Roslyn Wisdom. I can choose the number format and the currency that will be used throughout the whole project. I will choose US dollar for now. Cool, let's save this and get started. We can always go back to the project settings on the top left and change the values we just entered. Now to create a SWOT analysis, we click on SWOT analysis and select New Default. I will give it a name. Rosina Startup in Shymkent. And it's always a good idea to add a date as well. Right, now we have two tabs here, Company and Market. In the Company tab, we are going to collect the strengths and weaknesses of the company. The second tab is Market and Environment. Here we write down the opportunities and threats that can be seen in the market and the environment. Now there's another field below, Options and Ideas. Now what? Here we start collecting ideas about what we could do with the information from above. Let me go back to the first tab. What are our strengths? What are the resources we already have? We have a good location in the city center, qualified partners, financial resources, and we already have an established range of products. To save my SWOT analysis, I need to click Save on the top left. Actually, I would like to have a bulleted list. To do this, I need to turn on text formatting. Now I can see a text formatting toolbar, and I can create a list. Then I want to add a table of our existing products. I can insert a table, and I choose to have 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay. I will write the names of our existing products in the first column. We have fresh flowers. We have vases and decoration materials. Now, for each product, I want to write which country we want to import it from. I need to add another row on top. With the right click, I can open the table options and choose Row, Insert Row Before. Now I can add the import locations. Import from Vietnam, import from Nepal, and local. Now I can write for each product where we imported from. To make the titles bigger, I can select them and choose bold and font size larger. Inside the table cells, I can also center text. Or I can choose a background color for a cell. Right-click Cell Properties and choose a background color. Now we have a pink cell. So this is how we use tables in our text. But there are even more options in the formatting toolbar. On the left, we have some buttons to copy-paste text from other places, like from Word. There are some standard options, like bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. And we can also remove all the formatting with this button here. You can change the font size, and we can choose a text color and the background color. My list could also be a numbered list. And we can horizontally center text or align it to the right. We can also insert links. Use links if you want to refer to a website, but also to include external files and pictures from your Dropbox or other cloud storage server. And don't worry that the text areas might be too small for your content. They grow automatically when the text gets longer. It is always a good idea to regularly save my work. There is also a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S. Just make sure you wait for the yellow text fields to become white before you save. The yellow color indicates that the content has not yet been transmitted. If you wait a second, the yellow will disappear and you're good to save. If you save while it's still yellow, the newest content can be lost. I'm going to fill in the rest of the SWOT analysis too. Okay, to print the SWOT analysis, we just click Create PDF and download the PDF file. The links are clickable. So far we had a 2-column layout with the questions on the left and the answers on the right. If we have big tables and want to use the whole width of the paper for the answer, we can choose this single column layout. Now the questions and answers are below each other and use the full paper width. There is also a keyboard shortcut to create a PDF, Ctrl P. Alright, now you're ready to write your own SWOT analysis. All you need is a free user account and you can create as many SWOT analyses as you want. If you liked this video, give us a like, share this video with your friends, and follow our YouTube channel. Tell us in the comments below how you are using SCPM and write a feedback on scpm.biz/feedback. You can also follow us on Facebook and sign up for our newsletter on scpm.biz. I am Andrea Brühlmann and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.